Now this is my second skill test where I got the topic for creating meal app. So this is the user interface of my app, and here we have a search bar. Here we can search any food item. Let's say for example I enter pizza, and after 2-3 seconds I'll get all the menu listed inside the pizza. And here we have two buttons, one is more detail and other one is favorite. If I create on favorite icon, I get the alert message. And here there is a navigation bar with 3-bar icon. If I click here, I can see the favorite icon over here, the favorite dish over here. And if I click here unfavorite, then we can remove that. At the same time, there is a button for more details. If I click here, then we can route to next page where we can see detail of that particular dish. Now let's come to the code. First let's see the index.html file. So here I have used Bootstrap, I have linked it over here, and then I have used Font Awesome for getting the icons. And then we have div. Here this div is for full body, and then this header nav bar I have done that through Bootstrap. Here we have also used of canvas. And then this section is basically where we can see the food item and for search. And then let's go to the JavaScript code. So here I have also stored the food item which we already searched inside the local storage. So it first checks if in local storage.get item, if there is null, then we set the food item inside the local storage. And then comes the API fetch function. So basically I have created a function. Whenever we want to use this, whenever we want to fetch any API, we just have to call this function. Now in this function we have URL and value as a parameter, because here we can see this is the API which we are using, and here we just have to replace our Bayata for different food item. That's why we have taken two parameters, URL and value. And since the fetch function returns promises, that's why we have used async await. We could have also used then catch as well. Now coming to, there is another function called show meal list. Here also we just document.getElement by id search dot value. So this is the value of the input box which we have searched, and then URL, and then HTML variable that is empty, and then meals. Here we are fetching it through API, and then we are using if else. If data.meal is present over there, then it will show inside this. We have also used for loop over there. And if it is not there, then we just have to show that item not found. Here item not found, 404 error, item not found. We have to return that. And then at last in this function we have used document.getElement by id main.innerHTML equal to HTML. So basically here we are appending it, and then here we are assigning its value in .innerHTML. And all this I have put inside this set timeout. So that is 2000 millisecond, that is 2 seconds. And then here there is another function, show meal detail. There is another function which we have called, and here we are calling another API, so it shows the entire list of the food item. And then at last comes adding and deleting the favorite list. Here also, if the food item is there, then we can use air.splice for deleting, and if we want to add, then air.push id we are doing. That's it.